So mixed siding ideas, this is kind of a question that we're getting more and more from people because, forever we were selling lap siding, traditional, 6-inch, 5-inch lap siding that runs horizontal. And then they came out with board and bat, which is vertical siding. And when I say this is years and years and years ago. So you'd see houses where it was vertical siding or it was horizontal siding. Then in the 80s, builders started building homes where they did horizontal siding on the front of the house with maybe some design, some trim work or something to add, to the curb appeal. And then they do vertical siding on the sides and back because they could buy 4x8 or 4x10 sheets at Lowe's or Home Depot and throw that stuff up and go. And nobody looks at the side or the back of a house. Well, people now, because siding is a significant investment, they're like, I only am going to do this once. I want to do it with a permanent material, but I want to be sure that I like how it looks because I'm going to have this a long time. And so we will do some really neat combinations where, on the front of the house in this section we'll have vertical siding, and it'll be board and bat, or it'll be V-groove, or it'll be chiplap. And then over here we're going to have shake shingle, and over here, and it's just details. It's not like they're doing the whole house. Or you'll see scallops, which is, some people like the looks of scallops in their peaks and things like that. But there's all kinds of siding available. And so you're not just limited to one cookie cutter, hey, this is the siding, do you want it or not? You can make your home your home. It's your own original work of art, if you will. So it's customized to your taste, to what you like. And then you'll see homes where it's like, they'll have contrasting color here to contrast to this. This trim may be this, but this peak is this color and stuff like that. We do all different kinds of accents and things like that. So not only is it making your home a maintenance-free, more durable product that you don't have to worry about anything, you're actually changing the appearance or increasing the appearance, if you will, to make it that much nicer for where you live.